I bought this for my husband for Father's Day from my kids. So I figured I would show you real quick. It comes in a box and everything is in bags. So let's see how easy this is to put together. So you can see better. We have the tray. Unboxed. Take this one out. This one would go right here. It just clicked right in. So you can see the best dad ever. Here. And there's two little holes to push it in. Snapped right in. All right. Little grooves here. Just pushes, looks like, yep, right into there. And then the last piece would go. So the last piece is in. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. So this would be where the cord for your phone goes. Then you have place to hang watches and then little shelves. And it looks like you could also fit behind there. But I highly recommend. Happy shopping.